the session. I have Rajiv with me, an amazing guy. इसकी story सुनना आपके लिए बहुत inspiring होगा. Rajiv is from Vivekanand Business School. He has got into KPMG on a package of 9 lakhs, and he was the only one to get selected on the campus. And ये बोलने के लिए एक दो लाइन है, but जब आप इसकी पूरी journey सुनोगे, I'm very sure it's going to be really inspiring. So once he used to dreamt about, IIMs and, tier 1 B schools and all that. But then, he eventually landed up in Vivekanand, and I think he has made most out of the opportunities that he had on his way. So Rajiv, first of all, it's a big congratulations from my side, because the kind of role that you've got into KPMG is an absolutely brilliant role, जो definitely tier 1, tier 2 के बच्चों को भी मिलता है. तो यार आपने वहां तक बाजी मार ली, kudos to you. So number 1. Number 2, I would love to hear your entire story, how you nailed that entire interview, तेरा director के साथ round वगैरह जो भी हुआ, KPMG का role क्या है, plus विवेकानंद में रह के तूने कैसे prepare किया, how did the college help you, everything in a detailed manner. So first of all, let's start with your profile. And you're a fresher, right?
Yeah, I'm a fresher.
My goodness. Yeah. Great, man. Go ahead.
So as I told you, initially my dream was to become a chartered accountant. So I pursued chartered accountancy, a clear inter level, but due to there was no certainty that I would be a chartered accountant. So for a safer side, I got into MBA. Initially my dream was to complete CA, then go into IIM, because I've heard that it is easy to get into IIM if I'm a chartered accountant. So that didn't work out. So I got into, I just gave an attempt in CET. So I got a decent percentile to get me into PGDM course of Vivekanand. So so now that there was a mindset in the beginning itself that chalo, I accepted that now I'm in this Vivekanand college. It's a decent college in Mumbai. Right. I can get a better placement, a decent placement as compared to other small colleges in Mumbai. So I told to myself, chalo, now if I want to crack it, I have to crack it a big one. I'm to get into the big fours, which during the briefing session they tells who all are recruiters of our college. So during that phase, I came to know that big fours are coming. So initially, I had an inclination towards operation also, because that side of a portion I have not exposed yet. So I have a bit curiosity, like towards learning new things, challenging myself to understand new things. Finance, I had an inclination towards finance also, because I'm from a finance background itself. Yeah, CA Inter would make the study pattern of the CA Inter had helped me a lot during this MBA phase also. Yeah, so I was dicey between that. So in the first year, we are exposed to all branches of the PGDM, like operation, HR, marketing. Every phase are exposed to us during the learning process, and we were assigned one industry alumni and faculty alumni. So they used to guide us ki, acha, now you take finance only for safer side. It's because of them also I've selected finance also in the second year.
तुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कभी कि यार अगर मुझे tier 1 वगैरह नहीं मिलता है, tier 2 का अगर top college नहीं मुझे मिलता है, तो Vivekananda would be my right choice, because you are a fresher. Right. And you could have taken 1 or 2 attempts more in CAT, because that's what the trend is. बच्चा लोग 2, 3, 4 attempt देता है. Right. But then how did you make up your mind? What, I'll go for Vivekananda Business School, and andar jaake, I will, do a tod kind of a job. Is that because you knew the B school very well and kind of companies come on the campus and future growth? Ya fir you had, no permission from your family to go for one more attempt for CAT?
Okay, so I've learned it the hard way. During the CA course, after multiple attempts, I came to realize that, chalo, it is a vicious loop. I won't get out once, I get into that loop. So I told myself, chalo, do not repeat that mistake again here. Vivekanand is a better, decent college. It's around 25, 26 years old college. It has a wide, it is well known. Like they have all streams here, engineering, architecture, and it's a well-based college. So even a lot of my, dad's colleagues, daughter, son were also in that college also. So I came to know from them, they are in Citibank and all. So
Wow.
so it's a well settled college also. So I'm like, chalo, it's in top 10. I would say it's definitely in top 10 college of Mumbai.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly. There's no
yeah,
doubt about it. And guys, I just want to make a mention that during his CET preparation journey, Rajiv did follow C2C mentors, and he did listen to
yeah.
me, and I think वो थोड़ा help हुआ reality वगैरह जानना, that changed the personality. But not for the fact he has been my student and he followed me. I'm saying this from bottom of my heart, is that 9 lakhs का package, 7.5-8 lakh का fees, ROI बंदे का more than 100% है. तो ये चीज मैं उन बच्चों को कहना चाहता हूँ जो आरओआई करते हैं. बेसिकली अगर आप देखोगे कॉलेज का एक पोर्टफोलियो जानना बहुत जरूरी होता है कि ये कॉलेज में मुझे क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल सकती है.
Right.
हम ऑलवेज एवरेज देखते हैं, हम ऑलवेज हाईएस्ट देखते हैं. देखना जरूरी है, हाईएस्ट देखना तो बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है, बिकॉज आपको ये भी जानना जरूरी है कि क्या मैक्सिमम लेवल तक ये कॉलेज मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी देगा. सो आई थिंक दिस इज एक्जेक्टली व्हाट राजीव अंडरस्टूड कि भाई यहाँ पे जाने के बाद मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटीज अच्छी मिल सकती है. मैं जान लगा दूंगा अपनी प्रिपरेशन में. एंड व्हाट प्लेसमेंट दैट यू हैव गॉट ना राजीव, आई एम नॉट श्योर वेदर यू अवेयर और नॉट, बट आई टेल यू, even at the baby IIMs, same placement is given.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and I'm not kidding. The kind of role that you've got, no, अभी आगे जाके रोल के बारे में भी बात करेंगे. Me being a finance guy from last 10 years, I'm doing finance. It's a fantastic course. The offer that you've got. Actually, जब तो फिन मॉडलिंग वगैरह के बारे में बात कर रहा था, थोड़ा बहुत रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड, थोड़ा बहुत कंसल्टेंसी. He's got into associate consulting and all that. That's a brilliant offer by the way. Number one, so baby IIM से भी आता है, ये tier 2 top colleges में भी आता है. So we'll not name the colleges as such, but I'm just giving you an idea. So those who are watching this video now, understand this. आपका कॉलेज का ब्रांड मैटर नहीं करता है, आपको क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज दी जाती है ना, वो मैटर करता है. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे तुम्हारा मेहनत जो है वो मैटर करेगा. मेहनत से हम बात करेंगे. कितना मेहनत करा विवेकानंद में, कितना हसल मारा तूने?
Every day is, case studies and all are thrown to us. I mean, read and read. It's all about that also, na. If one does not update himself now, then gone. Interview is so like it's gone. I mean, that's what I've experienced. You can't be, silent during interview. The technical one or two, you can understand. Every kid is not that every aspect he covers during his curriculum, but at least you should, show the efforts that you can crack it. That's what the organization look into, na. Abhi, the organization does not want people who are stuck at one place. They look into people who can find solution around that.
Right.
So it's the recruiting process has changed what I've seen. Like it's more about, you as a person, what can contribute to the organization. Exactly. So these are skills, which one should, develop not only in the first year of PGDM. It should be from the, beginning of your career, of your 11th standard, I would say. Last minute, I've learned the hard way. Last minute preparation does not give anything.
Exactly. So
cumulative efforts, yaar. I mean, throughout the years, yeah.
Guys, ये जो भी बच्चे देख रहे हैं ना ये वीडियो, I'm going to be really honest यहाँ पे. And राजीव ने मुझे फॉलो करा है, so definitely उसकी मेहनत है, उसके कॉलेज की मेहनत है. But आप एक बच्चे का माइंडसेट देखो. And मैं always ये कहता हूँ, with a poor mindset, you cannot achieve extraordinary things.
Right.
But with a practical and a great mindset, you can achieve amazing and extraordinary things in your life. And Rajiv जीता सकता है एग्जाम्पल है उस चीज का. मैंने और भी 2-3 बच्चों का इंटरव्यू करा था विवेकानंद से, when they used to follow me on YouTube and all that. I think लीग तो सेम ही है, मतलब everybody is so bloody practical, so hard working and understanding कि हम यहाँ से कहाँ जाएंगे. I mean, getting into Big 4 with a package of 9, you can then move to EY, you can move to then PwC and Deloitte and all that. And it's going to be an amazing journey now onwards. It's not that easy to crack in, तेरा मेहनत रंग लाया. और ऐसे भी नहीं कि बंदा चार्टर्ड नहीं है तू, राइट?
नो हाफ सी.
और बंदा फ्रेशर है, तो पूरा क्रेडिट जाता है उसका माइंडसेट, उसका एटीट्यूड, जिस चीजों पे वो भरोसा रखता है, जो उसका बिलीफ सिस्टम है. 100 मार्क्स फॉर दैट. एंड डेफिनेटली कॉलेज का भी एक रोल बहुत बड़ा है. विवेकानंद हैज डन अ लॉट गुड to a lot of students out there, मेरे ख्याल से.
The faculties are having an immense knowledge at Vivekanand, I must say, not just the brand. I would say even the smallest college, the faculty there, will have something more to give to the students, right? They are more experienced. The problem is students are not ready to perceive that they can contribute to us. They're like, I don't want, I don't feel like studying here. Now that you're here, study, work your off, and get into the place where you want to be. People don't know where they want to be and what they want. They're clueless. That's the point. So if they're clear, the how will come initially. How
Right.
to get there.
Right. And actually, Rajiv, MBA का definition इतना actually मलिन हो गया ना आजकल, because लोगों को लगता है MBA का मतलब, being very blunt, लोगों को लगता है MBA का मतलब पार्टी करो, ट्रैकिंग करो, ट्रैवलिंग करो और रिलेशनशिप ढूंढो. मतलब वो एक फंडा है ना कि लड़का 20 लाख कमा रहा है, लड़की 20 लाख कमाएगी, 40 लाख. It's all bullshit. Do you really even agree? You tell me.
That is a long term thing. Complete the next year first.
Actually,
we'll talk about that later.
तूने पार्टी वार्टी करा था MBA के टाइम पे, या फिर मेहनत ही करना था, या पार्टी वार्टी करा था सब कुछ?
Since it was a online class, na sir, we used to meet once or twice with the people. We know. Hardcore. I'm not a person who hardcore. I'm not a party man. I'm a silent.
That paid you off, na, in the end.
Definitely, yeah. It's all about my I need to focus where I want to be.
Right.
These are all distractions which I don't want to focus at all.